Have you heard about the SushiSwap saga and want to know more? This is the right video. SushiSwap was launched with the first vampire attack in DeFi history. This is what happened. In 2020, a developer known as Chef Nomi forked Uniswap to create SushiSwap. The intent was to create a new automated market maker or AMM. AMMs use liquidity pools, markets made of at least two cryptos, to improve decentralized finance and allow traders to make their transactions without needing permissions from any central authority. You can learn more about liquidity pools by watching our videos about the topic. Liquidity providers receive liquidity provider or LP tokens. LP tokens can be used to redeem funds and as a representation of your pool shares. Liquidity was exactly what SushiSwap needed to succeed. It was pretty hard to get liquidity after the fork. Why should providers move their funds from a tested protocol to a new AMM? And this was the solution, the creation of a token. Once Sushi token was created, Chef Nomi informed providers that they would receive two rewards for providing liquidity. They would receive Sushi tokens once deposited funds to SushiSwap, stacking rewards to hold Sushi tokens. That is, they would receive part of the fee revenue of SushiSwap. But to receive these rewards, LPs had to deposit a specific token, Uniswap LP token. That's why we call it a vampire attack. Basically, Chef Nomi drained liquidity from Uniswap to SushiSwap. SushiSwap is now a thriving ecosystem for decentralized finance. It is used also by CRD Network, a project focused on the adoption and usability of DeFi. What do you think about Sushi? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to know more, watch our other videos on SushiSwap and liquidity pools. If you enjoyed our content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching!